In this lesson, we'll talk about how to add time to figure out what time of day it is from a single point. So, in this question, it is 11:05 a.m. on Wednesday. What time will it be in 38 hours and 45 minutes? The trick to these questions is you have to keep track of two different counting systems at the same time. One is the actual time using a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock, depending on where you live, and then using a how many hours that you've already counted up. So I like to do these questions with a number line or a timeline because timelines show two sets of data and two ways of counting, and it's a good way to keep track of your thinking. So this is how we're going to do this question. Okay. So we have 38 hours and 45 minutes. I'm going to write that here. 38 hours and 45 minutes. Okay? And I'm going to count and add up. The easiest way is to recognize that this is greater than a day. So I'm going to take a whole day out. A day has 24 hours. So I'm going to jump forward a whole day. Okay? And that is going to be 24 hours. I'm going to put here. And on the bottom, it's going to be the same time as today, so that's pretty easy. Or as Wednesday at 11:05. So we're going to have 11:05 Thursday. Okay, excellent. So now I'm going to subtract it from here. 24 hours. Let's subtract that. I got 45 minutes still. And I got 14 hours left. Good. Now, I have 14 hours. I recognize that I can take 12 hours out of that really easy, and it's just going to flip whether or not it's AM or PM. Okay? So let's take 12 out. Let's jump forward another 12 hours. Okay? 12 hours. I'm going to rewrite this 24 here. And that is going to be 12 hours ahead is 11:05 p.m. Okay, let's take away 12 hours from here. We got 2 hours left and 45 minutes. Okay, let's add 2 hours. Okay, we are still in the PM on Thursday. So, with 2 hours, this is another 2 hours, we are going to be 12 a.m., 1 a.m. So this is now going to be 1 a.m. Friday. Okay? And I've taken out 2 hours, and all we have left is 45 minutes. Okay. Oh, 1:05, sorry. So let's add 45 minutes. And our new time is going to be 1:50 a.m. on Friday. Okay. Now, with math, and especially with a question like this, there's more than one way to get an answer. Mathematically speaking, you could go about it many different ways, in many different orders, as long as you keep track of your thinking. That is the most important part when doing questions like this. And I find a timeline is one of the easiest for doing this.